In this video, we're going to go over the very basics of Google Docs and how to use it. So the three things that we're going to hit today are how to open a doc and the two different ways to do it, the basic navigation and use of Google Docs, and how to save it into different folders into your Google Drive. So the two ways to open up a Google Doc are going to be, first, you can go here, you can use the waffle, go to Docs, it'll open up something like this, and there's different templates that you can use, but most of the time you're just going to use the blank one, hit blank, and it'll open up your doc for you. The second way to open up a doc is going to be to go into your Drive, hit New, and Google Doc, and it'll open up a drive through there. So now that we have our Google Doc open, the first thing you're going to want to do is title it. So we'll title this Google Doc Tutorial. And it'll automatically, if you click up there, populate your title for you. So now that you have your doc actually started, you have all these options up here to be able to actually use it. So you can change your heading sizes. Over here, you have all your fonts, the text size, bolding, italics, underlining, text color, highlighting, link, if you want to insert a link, comments, inserting images, obviously you're aligning, how you need to align, spacing, numbering, bullet points, and indents. But what we're going to focus on today is mostly these bars up here. So you have your edit, which most of you will probably know how to already do this using cut, copy, paste. You have your view. So if you want to view it how I would view it if you submitted an assignment, you can come down here and click view, and then it makes it look how it would be as a finished product. And if you want to go back, you go back to here and you click editing again. This one's going to be important. So this is image or inserting images if you want to. So let's say that you have a picture that you want to insert. You can upload from your computer if it's actually saved right here, or you can search for clip art or something on the web to insert into your Google Doc as well. If you have a picture saved in your drive, you can use here, or just by a URL you have. A table, you can make your own table. So if I want to do that, let's say that I need to put in a table so that I can type in 2 or 3 different areas because I have 2 or 3 different people that I'm covering for a history lesson. I select 3 by 1. Now I can type in these areas separately and they won't run into each other. Format is where you're going to do all of your line spacing, your different indents. So let's say that your spacing is too big and you want it to be smaller. You can open up the line spacing here and we can take it down to single. We can have it be at 1.15, which is the default, 1.5, double, and you have all your options over here in the format options. If you ever can't find anything, the easiest way to do it is going to be to go to help, and then you're immediately going to be able to just search what you want. One thing a lot of students struggled with during last year's virtual teaching was they didn't know how to make copies of assignment if they needed to. So if I give you a document and you want to have your own copy, what you should do is you should go to File and Make a Copy here and click it. So then it will open up something that looks like this, and it will automatically title it Copy of whatever the document is. And you'll see that it will automatically just go to your drive. But what you may want to do is you may want to open this up, click My Drive, and then the different folders you have, you're going to be able to put it into one of those folders if you need it to keep yourself organized. And then when you want to copy it, you just click OK. It'll make the copy, and it automatically pulls it up as your own document. This won't be shared with anybody because it's just yours. So I hope that helps explain Google Docs a little bit, makes it easier to navigate so that you can use it in class.